The purpose of this video is to show you how to use the camera on Blackboard. So this may or may not be your particular class Blackboard, but using the camera is the same for all Blackboard sites. So I know on here I've got an assignment. So we'll come down here and go to week 4. We'll select that. And we'll see that there's assignment Hofstede's. Again, you may or may not have this assignment on your Blackboard site. So I'm going to select that. Then it's going to come over here, like if I were going to submit a document, I just hit View Instructions. But once I hit that, I'll see normally where I just submit a document, but here I can actually do audio and video. So if I select that, I can click audio and screen, audio, or camera. So if I just want me, and it's, for instance, if I have a presentation and the instructor wants to see how I look on camera and the background and that type of thing, I would select that. And lo and behold, there I am. And so I would have my script set up and I would select record, and I would record until I was finished. Then I'd go back and review it, and if I didn't like it, I'd have to start over. This has very limited editing, so you have to be pretty short, or you have to really be practiced to do that. So let's come over here, and I'm going to get out of that, and I'll select this again. Now, if I'm going to do a presentation and it's supposed to be like a PowerPoint, which I'll use that as an example, I'm going to select on audio and screen, and you'll see that I can do a tab, I can do a window, I can do the entire screen. So right now the entire screen is what this is. But since I'm going to do a PowerPoint presentation in this case, I've got it up on my tabs and it's going to show me in this box. So if I click on that, it's going to bring my PowerPoint up, and I can hit share, and there it is. And so I can start talking about the presentation, and I can go through the slides and continue to do my presentation using the slides. So that's helpful. So that's how you can do those recordings. And the issue is going to become large or involved presentations. This may not be the best way to do it. They may eventually bring in some editing, which could very happen anytime because the way that technology goes. But that is a way to at least put together a presentation to submit. If you're working on a group and you have a team technical leader, then they should be able to help you find a program that will be able to record and you can edit and those type of things. But again, if you don't have any other way to do it, use this. You may not get the highest grade for presentation, but it's better to submit something than nothing.